Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. My name is Edwin. If you checked out my last video, you saw how we used ChatGPT to create a resume. I'll post a link on it below. In today's video, we're going to use ChatGPT again, but this time we're going to use it to create a cover letter. Stay tuned. Okay, to begin, we're going to start off the same way we did with the resume. So we're going to go on to ChatGPT. We're going to use basically the same title. Let's see, if you're not sure, let's see, you can go back. And then on the left-hand side, you could just, click on the sidebar and it'll give you the last search you did. And let's see, this was social media marketing resume. So what we're going to do is we're going to type in social media marketing. Let's put coordinator cover letter. We're going to hit enter. And let ChatGPT do its thing. Now we're not gonna use everything here. I have, I've sent hundreds of cover letters, and I've never really used any of this information here on top. My name and address. Okay, so I just close this up here. And now to send a cover letter, you are going to want to keep it short and sweet. So we're gonna aim between 250 and 400 words, basically 3 to 6 paragraphs for this position. And that's just counting from the dear all the way to sincerely, to your name actually. And that's what we're going to count, the 250 to 400 words. This, I mean, if you want to add this, the recipient's name and company, that's fine, but it's going to be mentioned within the cover letter anyway, so that's kind of, you repeating itself, so. So what we're going to do is go to the bottom. We're going to copy this. Okay. Okay, I'm going to paste it. And here we go. So, okay, great. It's just one page. Great. So we're going to see Grammarly's already doing its thing, rewriting, restructuring your sentences and making it nice and professional, I guess. Yes. Okay, so what we're gonna do is we're gonna go down here real quick to the bottom left-hand corner. You're gonna see we have 351 words. So we're gonna keep it within that range, which is great. So let's begin. So we're gonna start off at the top, dear, and then let's just let's see, John Doe. I'm writing to express my interest in the social media marketing coordinator position at, and then let's use the same company that we did the last time, Laser Trends, as advertised on. And normally, when I'm job hunting, when I'm looking for a position, I tend to go on Indeed or LinkedIn. So, let's just do LinkedIn, period. With a passion for digital marketing and deep understanding of social media platforms, I believe I will be an excellent fit for this role. That's perfect. I like what that says. Okay, let's go to the next paragraph. I have proven track record in social media marketing with. Now, if this is your first time as a digital marketing coordinator, I will just leave it out, or I would just put I have experience. Let's see. Let's just do this. I have, for those of you who are new, I have experience. Oh, that's what I love about Grammarly. Okay, so I have experience creating and executing successful campaigns across various platforms, including Facebook, Instagram, Twitter, and LinkedIn. Again, you could just edit this, you can edit this how you want. You could remove, add, it's up to you. I'm adept at utilizing analytics tools to monitor and optimize campaign performance, ensuring maximum engagement and return on investment. Um, I do have experience with analytics tools, optimizing campaign performance. Yes. Now, return on investment. Yeah, we could leave that return on investment because I'm monitoring, so I kind of know what to look for. Like if my campaigns aren't working right, or not working how they're supposed to, or bringing in the eyes that it's supposed to. So I'll leave that there. My knowledge of current social media trends and best practice allow me to develop innovative strategies that drive brand awareness. Okay, that's all true. We could leave that here. Let me see. You could leave at, and I have this habit, like if Grammarly suggests it, I just change it. You could do it if you want. If not, that's totally up to you. In my previous position as a social media specialist let's just make up a company here. Green Trends. I don't know where I'm coming up with these names. At Green Trends, excessively increase followers by and achieve 40%, achieve 20% and boost engagement for 6 months. Let me see. I would just remove that because I really didn't do anything of the sorts. This is I just basically content creating. I was just basically a content creator. Let's see. Green Trends. I accomplished this by. Okay, we're gonna have to remove this. Actually, you know what? I accomplished this by developing, implementing content strategy and effectively targeted our audience using. Okay, so we're gonna have to reword this. Okay, so what I'll put is I'll remove this. I effectively targeted. Let's see, in my previous position as a social media specialist at Green Trends, I effectively targeted our audience using compelling visuals and engaging copy. Okay. Let's change copy and just put content. I also collaborate closely with the marketing team to align social media efforts. Okay, so this is okay. We could do that. We could leave this like this. This is basically saying that I targeted our audience using compelling visuals and engaging content. So I basically did all the content, and then I collaborated with members of the marketing team that were that had more experience than me to align social media efforts. So this is good. So it's basically telling you did the content, and the marketing team that were more experienced with you, they did all the other work. Okay, so moving to the next paragraph. In addition to my technical skills, I possess excellent communication and interpersonal abilities. I am skilled at crafting engaging content that resonates with. Okay, that's true. That's good. I have experience managing online communities, engaging with followers. Yes. And addressing customer inquiries promptly and professionally. Yes. My strong analytical skills enable me to, derive insights from data. This is true, but let's just remove this in case if you don't have that many skills in analytics. Let's just remove that. And let's see. I am confident that my skills and experience make me a strong candidate for the social media marketing content coordinator position at. Okay, was it Laser Trends? My apologies for the airplane. I do live next to an airport. I'm excited. I'm excited about the opportunity to contribute to your team and help elevate your social media presence. Okay, we can leave that. Thank you for considering my application. I have attached my resume. Okay. So your resume will be the resume we did in the last video. I'll keep a link to that in the comments below. I would I would welcome the opportunity to discuss how my skills. Okay, please feel free to contact me. Thank you for your time and consideration. Sincerely, and I will put my name on this, Edwin Castro. Okay, so let me see. We kept it at 289 words, short and sweet, and So now what we're gonna do is, before proofread it first. Make sure everything is sounds good and everything looks good. So we're gonna just change the text. I love using Lato Light. That's one of my favorite fonts, and we're going to keep this at 9, 10, 12. Let's make sure it stays one page. Yes, okay, perfect. One page. And then what we're going to do is we're going to double space. Okay, 2 pages. All right, so let's change the font size a bit. Let me see, 9. Keep it at 9. That's a bit small. Let me see. No, actually, that's fine. That's fine. That's fine. All right, so then we're gonna save this. Now, what I would do, and I'm going to make a video of this in the near future, is we're gonna want to get a template for something that matches, for your resume and for your cover letter, and then you could send them both at the same time. For it could look professional, and it could look like you actually put in time and effort in your resume and cover letter, and it'll look very presentable for the hiring manager looking at your at your experience, and nice presentation will go a long way. But for the purposes of this video, this is how you create a cover letter using ChatGPT. It's real easy. It's not cheating, as I mentioned in my last video. It's not cheating. Again, you just go to ChatGPT. You type in the position you're looking for. Then basically you just copy the results. You put it in a Word doc and then edit. Most important thing is edit according to your skill set. And then you just, change the font, make it look nice and sweet. Keep it between 250 and 400 words, basically 36 paragraphs. And, just keep it within 1 page. You don't want to send 2 or 3 page resume or 2 or 3 page cover letter. Trust me, the hiring manager is not going to go through that. The recruiting team is not going to go through that. They have hundreds and hundreds of resumes and cover letters that they're going to go through. They're not going to sit and read a 2 or 3 page cover letter or resume. They're going to just dump it in the garbage can. So I hope you found value in this video. If you enjoyed this content, hit that like and subscribe button. Until next time, everybody.